Hello, my friend. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up a video without any harm to audio quality nor the audio pitch. Let's jump right into it. So I've recorded the intro for the video in a very slow pace. Hello, my friend. And now let's speed up. I would assume that for you it will be necessary to speed up a video which not just one video clip and one audio clip. More likely it will be a lot of titles, animations or whatever. So the first thing I would recommend you to do is just to render everything. So when we will speed up the video, it will be not desynchronization of different animation sounds and so on. So let's first render that piece. We're gonna save it. On my desktop I have a folder that calls temporary files. Basically it's the folder where I put everything that I need right now, but I will not need later, so I could easily delete everything at any time from that folder. It's very cool. So what we're gonna do is to import that rendered piece into Premiere Pro. I will put it on the timeline, and so it won't be confusing, I will make a different color. So the first thing we need to do, and it's very important, is to change audio of that file from stereo to mono. Why we need to do that? If we will skip that step, after we will change the speed of the audio and video, after we will change the pitch, the sound starts to flow between left and right speakers. So that's not the thing that we want, because it sounds not good at all. So what we have to do is press right mouse button, choose modify, audio channels, and clip channel format change to the mono. It doesn't matter which one you will choose. So okay, now Premiere told us that the clip that's already on the sequence will remain be stereo. If we want to change stereo to mono of the clip that already on our sequence, we need to replace it. Let's say yes, and what we need is to replace that clip. Because as you see, I will make undo. Here is still stereo, we have two audio channels. Now we have the mono. Let's again color it. So what we're going to do next? We select the clip, press Ctrl R. I already know that I recorded it too slow, so I need to speed up it twice. We speed up it, you could speed up on wherever you like, wherever you need, and all those checkboxes we leave empty. Press OK.
Hello, my friend. Today I'm gonna show you.
What we need to do now? Now we go to the effects panel, we choose pitch shifter, and we apply that to our clip. Now we need to find the right pitch. Basically the only thing that you could do is just do it manually, just adjust it and hear the sound. So for me I already know that it's something like this. I already tried it before. Okay, and what we have right now? Hello, my friend. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up a video without any harm to audio quality nor the audio pitch. Let's jump right into it. For me it sounds pretty good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the channel for the new tutorials. Cheers.